Hello everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to be making another swag, but this one is going to be different. The first one was small. I'll show you guys. Okay, so I have these left over from a little Christmas tree. What I'm going to do is I'm going to zip tie them together like this. I'm going to do that right now. You can get these zip ties from Dollar Tree. Okay, so we have one attached, zip ties. I'm going to do the other two. And this is so simple. Yes. Okay, so I'm sorry. All I'm doing is, hold on, just putting on the zip tie. And cut off all that extra off as close as you can. Okay. And I'm going to take another zip tie to attach the four together. Just wanted to make sure that I can attach them easily. Like, there you go. Okay. I think I'm going to use 2 zip ties to tie these 4 together. Why? Because kind of on the thick side. There they are. So just to ensure that it won't come apart, to be sturdy, this is what I'm going to do. As tight as possible. And again, cut off the extra piece. One more zip tie. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. For myself, I am good. Thank God. Okay. And then, after it's secured, it's all about decorating it. That's all personal preference. The colors, the style, whatever you want to add. I'm going to make mine kind of simple. Like, I don't want it real busy. Like the first one I made was simple, elegant. Okay. So now I'm gonna just open up the little stems so I can get an idea where I'm gonna glue what. Look at this one. And this one has pine cones already attached to it, so we'll leave those on. It adds to it. It adds character, I think. That's just me. I'm gonna roll with it. Okay. Okay, now we have. Nope, this one needs more work. It needs to be opened up a little more. Okay. Nothing to it but to do it. Okay, now it's all about hot gluing the ornaments on. And I have something for the midsection here to cover that up. I don't know which one I'm going to use yet, but it's got to be some type of ribbon so I can make a bow. I have a few options readily available here. Okay, so this is what it's looking like for now, right? My husband is not feeling a bowl here, so I just covered those big wires. And so I asked him, what should I place there, right? So many nice things we have. A little sign hanging off the truck. Yeah, so many things. An abundance of stuff I could use. But he settled on the love sign. So that would sit like right there. And I think I dig it. Yeah. So, yeah. Let me secure the love sign to it and I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Sorry if you hear outside noises, but I had to crack the windows both because it's really hot in here. Anyways, yeah, I took the little jute twine I had attached to there and there, and then I just hot glued it on there, and it's what my husband chose. So it has this little touch. I love that. So it's that simple, guys. You know, even with those twisty. Let me see if I have them here. Oh no, it's okay. Hold on. Yeah, these. Yeah, I could like fold it in half. It's got like a wire attached, and you could attach it to areas that look sparse. If you bought these from Dollar Tree, like one pack too many, like I did, you could even make a swag using these. Sky's the limit, guys. So yeah, he wasn't feeling the bows, so maybe next year. See, it's jute twine I cut off the love sign, as I mentioned. So now let's see where he decides to hang it. So I want to see if he has any ideas. Hold on, guys. Okay, that's where hubby decided to place the swag. Right above that, it's a sign. It's a wonderful life. Love. I just placed that bow there just to show you guys that's another option. But I'd rather kind of like it like that for now. Yeah, there's a lot more I could add to it, but for now, that's good. I think that's good. For now. Well, that's it. That's all for now. Thank you for hanging out with us, and hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, rate, hit the notification bell, and share if you like. And leave your comments, cares, concerns, questions down below. Until next time, God willing, may you all continue to stay blessed, beautiful, and ciao.